Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over McPepe's. Now McPepe's just got listed on CoinMarketCap today, and it also got a brand new central exchange listing today. Ticker symbol is PEPES. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the PEPE's token just got listed today. It says March 1st, 12 o'clock UTC time. It will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that MEXC referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the spot trading zone in the assessment zone, and search PEPES, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It says McPepe's AI has a vision to revolutionize the world of memes as we know it. So it was just announced basically 6 hours ago on MEXC Global's Twitter that this token will be listed on there. The mission is simple yet ambitious, and it begins by bringing every possible variation of the legendary Pepe meme to the masses. So there is a total supply of 100 billion Pepe's token. Their official webpage is listed on here. Their block explorer, so this is an Ethereum token. Their Twitter is at McPepe's_AI. They have a Telegram at McPepe's. They also have a Discord at McPepe's and Medium articles, McPepe's.medium.com. And their official webpage is McPepe's.com. Pretty straightforward here. So yeah, according to their Ether scan, it says they have 850 holders, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply here of 100 billion tokens. So on their official webpage, you can see all sorts of cool, like they look like meme NFTs right off the bat. They look like trading cards, kind of like a Magic the Gathering cards or Pokemon cards or any of those cards there. And on CoinMarketCap, which just got listed on today, that says they're up 8.43% today, doing very well. On there, you can find the price chart, contract address, webpage, Etherscan, Twitter, Medium articles, Telegram, and Discord as well. So it's all on there. On their webpage, McPepe's.com, you can connect your wallet, and I assume that is for NFTs. They also have frequently asked questions on here, link to Uniswap, all sorts of stuff on here. It says, on the go, order McPepe's on the McPepe's drive-through app. And they have links to download the McPepe's app here, which is funny. And it's actually not, it actually is not, it looks like it's supposed to be Apple App Store, Google Play Store, and it actually is just a link to their Discord and Telegram, which is pretty funny there. So yeah, lots of memes here. So they have a link to their OpenSea, where you can get McPepe's NFTs. So let's click on that. Actually, I want to see what their OpenSea looks like. So they have, how many NFTs do they have here? It looks like they have, all sorts of cool ones here with all different types of artwork here. 30,500 NFTs created March 2023, it says. So this just got created today, actually. They just posted this up today. So brand new OpenSea, brand new CoinMarketCap page, brand new MEXC listing. So price doesn't seem to be a whole lot. 0.0015 ETH it says, and it has a bunch of owners already. It says 21% on there. So yeah, there's bunch of different owners. Really cool, you know, frog meme NFTs that you could check out on here. So yeah, check out their OpenSea. OpenSea.io/collections/McPepe's. That's where you could find that. Now, their Medium articles says, welcome to McPepe's. What did these three great civilizations have in common? Ancient Disney, ancient Egypt, and ancient Mesopotamia. The frog. A symbol of fertility, a symbol of life, a symbol of transformation, and now we have entered the next phase of humanity's development, modern Web 3. We are witnessing the lucky omen of the frog reappear. What happens when AI meets Web 3 meets the most powerful meme humanity has ever known? Welcome to McPepe's. Today marks the grand opening of a new chapter of civilization, all-you-can-eat AI McPepe's. After months of development and testing and in collaboration with Fine Straits, we built a tool that can produce 2 million PEPEs per day, each one unique. And we need you to help create new PEPEs for the world to enjoy. So that's what this project seems to be all about here. Ordering is quick and easy, and as special a launch bonus, it's free. So you can get free memes here. Submit your order, and within seconds, a PEPE will be generated by the McPepe's AI. If you like what you see, you can mint it as an NFT collectible on Ethereum and inscribe it as an ordinal on Bitcoin at no charge. Check out Ordinal Chain, a video I just did recently that talks about what ordinals are. Kind of like NFTs, but they're on Satoshis of Bitcoin. You may place your orders as of now on McPepe's.com, as well as our convenient drive-through window on Telegram and Discord. So that's what that is there. And McPepe's tokens. Did you come up with a good prompt for your Pepe NFTs? Well, earn Pepe tokens when others use your carefully crafted input. It is an ERC20 token designed to incentivize generation of the highest quality PEPEs possible and manage the resource constraints of generating millions of PEPEs per day. So that's what this project is all about. There's another Medium article called McPepe's Grand Opening. It talks about minting and how you can order, mint, and earn, kind of the same sort of thing. So about the token specifically, though, what it's used for is voting. So NFT rights, DAO NFT rights. Basically, you vote on which NFTs you like, stuff like that. Prompt ownership. It's a deflationary token. It says there's going to be burning, which is basically they're saying it's going to be put in the dumpster, right? AI image generation, that type of thing. So that's what the token's used for. Yeah, check out all their socials. Check out that MEXC global referral code down there. That's where this token just got listed today. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.